former undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, Iron Mike Tyson. Remember him? Arguably the most devastating heavyweight puncher and punisher in the history of prize fighting. He lived a true roller coaster life from his early days in the streets of Brooklyn, New York, to his phenomenal rise to the top of the boxing game, acquiring worldwide fame and fortune to the sum of some 500 plus million US dollars. But just like the proverbial pendulum, Tyson's life swung from ecstatic highs to depressing lows. After doing some time in prison, his life went on a downward spiral, which eventually saw him losing everything. And the most modest life he is now living took him to somewhere in the Caribbean, not quite sure, but it looked like Upper Bobo Hill. He's seen here mixing with the Rastafari brethren and sistering, learning the yard moves and really getting into the fullness of the Rastafari culture. The man decided to show even more of his realness in taking lessons from an elder and hopefully lick a chalice. And with Mike struggling with the drum, the elder decided to show him. Said, no, Mike, and a circle. Look and learn. See that? Rastafari. I'm talking about roller coaster, right? Lick it again, Jamaica. Lick it again. How you feel? How you feel? See that? Roller coaster. See that? Yes, Jamaica. Float, Jamaica.